This is the afternoon video briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 12th of December. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather dry and seasonal through Friday. The weekend forecast is still a bit of a challenge with conflicting model data, but we have new data in. Let's take a look. We'll begin with the upper air look across the country today. Got a pretty good trough coming into the western states, but around here a zonal flow and a very dry air mass. There's the visible satellite view. Got a few high, thin cirrus clouds around. Otherwise, a sunny day. Temperatures just about what you expect in mid-December. We've got mostly upper 50s and low 60s over the northern half of the state. Low 60s in South Alabama. Both Birmingham and Mobile at 61. And we'll see numbers like that each day through really the weekend. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation. Winter storm watches for parts of northeast New Mexico, southeast Colorado, and far northwest Texas, and the western tip of the Oklahoma Panhandle. Otherwise, a very quiet day. Maybe some thunder through tonight for parts of West Texas, nothing severe. Tomorrow, a chance of thunderstorms across West Texas, New Mexico, and some of the adjacent states, and maybe some thunder down around Miami and Key West, but nothing severe. And pretty much the same situation on day 3, which is Thursday. We expect no severe storms across the country through the weekend. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And again, this is a little iffy here. We have a wide variety of model solutions for the weekend with a surface low that's expected to form in the Gulf. No doubt the better chance of rain over southeast Alabama, Dothan, Geneva, Ozark, Abbeville, Headland, where they might see 1/2 to 1 inch. The rest of the state, not that much. In fact, parts of Alabama could see absolutely nothing. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got a deep upper low that's developing over Arizona, and you can see a zonal flow that's in place here. And for Alabama, not much change. The day should be sunny. We start the day well down in the 30s, maybe a freeze for the colder pockets, the high upper 50s, low 60s, much like today. No real change on Thursday, and not much change on Friday. Sunny, cool days, clear, chilly nights. So as the weekend begins, this is a look at Saturday, and again, the GFS depicting a 1,000 millibar surface low due south of Apalachicola. And this is suggesting a chance of rain for the southern half of the state on Saturday, mainly south of US 80, south of a line from Demopolis to Selma to Montgomery to Opelika. The northern half of the state will see an increase in clouds, but the day will likely stay dry. Highs statewide around 60. So Sunday, the GFS depicting that surface low over southern Georgia with an increase in intensity, the pressure dropping to 991 millibars. And if this solution is right, much of the state will see rain. However, the European says not so fast. This is the reliable European global model, and it's got the surface low farther south and east. It's closer to Jacksonville, and this is keeping the rain shield basically south and east of Alabama, parts of North Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas. So again, you see the conflict here. They have the GFS looking wet on Sunday, the European looking dry. European typically performs better at this range and will lean toward that solution. Still, having said that, we'll mention a chance of some rain initially for South Alabama Saturday, then statewide Saturday night and Sunday. But keep in mind, this could be a big bunch of nothing with a real chance the rain stays south and east of here. Monday, the surface low is near the Outer Banks of North Carolina, rain off to the east, and this is a week from today. Tuesday, the 19th of December, got a trough off the Atlantic coast, and we are dry and seasonal. Let's go out 10 days. Friday, December 22nd. 3 days before Christmas. How about that? Again, ridging off to the west, northwest flow aloft, and once again, we're dry. So the weather looks awfully calm here for a while. And again, maybe some rain this weekend, but all of next week looking dry, and no sign of any big Arctic blasts. We'll take a look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 27th of December. Temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models, between now and Christmas Eve, and these numbers are just right at average values. This is what we expect here in December if you're new here. Highs daily between 55 and 61, lows in the 30s and 40s. All right, Christmas fans, You might like the red color, but not if you're looking for a white Christmas. This is the brand new 8 to 14 day guidance. This is for December 20th through the 26th, including Christmas Day. And the basic idea is that mild Pacific air floods much of the country. And understand, red in December is not the same as red in August on these maps. Like we say here, in Alabama, above average temperatures would be in the 60s. But still, obviously, no sign of any Arctic air through at least December the 26th. It might be sometime in the first part of 2024 before we can have a chance of getting some good Arctic, really cold air down in here. Although, keep in mind, some parts of the state were down in the low 20s this morning. Pretty cold for the middle of December. So, had a good time today at the Homewood Chamber of Commerce meeting. Very good time. Very, very good time. We had a great meeting today up at the club. So tomorrow, going to Calhoun County to Ohatchee Elementary School, home of the Indians. It'll be a lot of fun. By the way, tonight I will be at Ross Bridge at the resort there. Renaissance Ross Bridge. We'll be reading some Christmas books. It's a big fundraiser. The kids from the neighborhood and there at the resort, they come in, and we do this every year, and that's always fun. So that's this evening. Tomorrow, Ohatchee Elementary School. Thursday, East Elementary in Cullman. I always look forward to seeing those students every year. Thursday evening, I'll be at Double Oak Community Church in Mount Laurel. I'm seeing their annual Christmas music program. Friday, going to be at Kermit Johnson Elementary School up in North Jefferson County, not too far from Pinson, up around the Blount County line. And then Saturday, it's a book signing in Auburn, Lee County. We're going to be at the Bean Coffee Shop, and we're going to be there from 10 until 1. And that'll be a lot of fun. Looking forward to that. This is the last one before Christmas, guys. So if you want to get a personally signed copy of any of our books, our children's books, or all you can do is pray, Weathering Life, any of the cool Crest Publisher weather shirts and hats, those are very popular. All the Respect the Polygon shirts and all that, come see us. Again, Auburn, 10 to 1. And if you can't make it, I'll put a graphic up in a second. You'll see the website. It's spannbook.com. And don't forget to join us this evening, right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.